What's up gamers, here's how you can retrieve and heal your horse in Crimson Desert. If in rare unfortunate cases you lost your horse, or if you're wondering why it's too lazy to gallop after you made it jump off a 100-foot cliff as a shortcut and you think the game is broken, look for the nearby stable or prepare some tonics or treats. An injured horse will move more slowly and won't perform at its full potential. You can tell if your horse is injured by the wounds that appear as a sign of abuse. To retrieve or heal your horse, find your current town's nearby stable and interact with the stable hand. And select the option to retrieve and heal your horse. If you have horse tonics or treats and you're far from any stable, mount your horse. Go to your inventory, select the tonic or treat, then press space to feed the horse. You can buy these from the saddlery just beside the stable. And that's how you retrieve and heal your horse. If this video helped, subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for watching.